What's up guys, Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, starting this one out on Snapchat, and today I'm going to show you guys how to access the Snapchat store. It's kind of secretive, kind of hidden, so let's take a look. First of all, you want to swipe over this way to the stories / maybe not stories if you're on the update, but it's this discover section. The unknown, the place no one goes anymore, where we can discover clickbait things. And then what you want to do is just swipe to the right. This is going to bring you to all of the stories. And then you want to look for one that says Snapchat Store. Or if you've already watched it, you can scroll all the way to the bottom and see this right here, Store. Then this will bring you to the Snap Store, the one and only place to buy Snapchat stuff. Then you can click through this just like you would with a normal story. Items may disappear. If you see what you want, buy it. Basically it's saying everything in here is kind of limited edition, kind of rare. So they got the dancing hot dog plushie, like a Beanie Baby version of the dancing hot dog. They have a streak hat, so that's pretty cool. You can keep tapping through these. They have a wink face sweatshirt, and they have a sweatshirt that says bring back best friends. That's all there is for the Snapchat store. I'm gonna go back to the hat, that one's pretty cool. And then you wanna swipe up, and it will show you some photos here that you can swipe through. You can scroll up and read the details about the product. And then if you want to purchase this, you would hit add to bag, this giant button on the bottom. If you wanna purchase multiple things, you can, once you hit add to bag, you can hit the X. Then up in the top right, there's like your shopping cart, or your shopping bag, and go to that. Select the quantity of items that you want. You can remove items. Then you would hit go to checkout. It's going to take you here to put in all of your information. You're going to add a credit card, your shipping address, your contact information, all of that. Then the item will just be shipped to you. So pretty simple, ordering items right here within the Snapchat app. And there you have it, how to use the secret Snapchat store. Remember, all of the items are kind of limited edition and they'll probably be adding new items, so keep an eye out for those. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions and I'll try and answer those. Also, let me know which products you like, which ones you're thinking about buying. Be sure to check out some of my other social media, subscribe to my other YouTube channel, link it all down in the description. I'll see you guys next time.